Krakow is a multicultural and holy city. Before he became a pope, John Paul II was the Archbishop of Krakow. The city is at once beautiful and serene, and yet within its belly it carries traces of a tragic past.
Now that I've known the comfort of your arms, no other love. Oh, the sweet contentment that I find with you every time. No other lips could want you more, for I was born to glory in your kiss, forever yours. I was blessed with love to love you, till the stars burn out above you, till the moon is but a silver shell. No other love, let no
Schindler, a German, moved to Poland from Germany to start a business. He purchased a bankrupt enamel kitchenware factory in Krakow in 1940, just outside the Jewish quarters. He employed cheap Jewish labor. He used bribes and connections to convince German army and SS officers that his factory was essential for the war effort, thereby saving his workers from being taken to the concentration camps. Photos of the saved workers are displayed on the wall outside the factory. He was not a successful businessman, though, and towards the end of his life was supported by the Jews whose life he had saved. Jews were brought under a pretext of a better life. They were packed like sardines in locked wagons whose doors opened only once inside the concentration camp. A doctor and a Gestapo would give them physical inspections, segregating able bodied men from children, women, and sick people. All except the able bodied men were sent to gas chamber within hours of their arrival.